So bxy is the regression coefficient of x on y. Now here, if the value of y is given and we need to estimate the value of x, then we need this regression line. Okay, so again I repeat, to estimate the value of y, when x is given we need y on x. To estimate the value of x, when y is given we need x on y. Okay, now one more important thing is, these are two regression lines. If we solve two regression lines, we will always get the means. Okay, so if we solve two regression lines, what we will get? We will get the respective means. The solution of x will be the mean of x and the solution of y will be the mean of y. Now we will see some important sums regarding this topic. Okay. So now here we have one question on a regression line. So the question is given like this: given two regression lines, lines are given, like 4x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0, and the other one is 3x plus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. Now determine the regression line of y on x, the regression line of x on y, and the r means coefficient of correlation. Okay. Now see the question here. In this question, it is not mentioned that which one is which line, means which one is y on x, which one is x on y. It is not mentioned. So blankly we will just assume that one is x on y, another one is y on x. It is on your choice. So let's see. I have assumed here the regression line of y on x is the first one, 4x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0. Clear? And the regression line of x on y is definitely the second one, is 3x plus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. Now from both these two lines we need to find out the regression coefficients. Now see, this is what? This is y on x. This is the regression line of y on x. Now we need to find out the regression coefficient. So for that, remember one thing, we need to keep y in this side and the other thing in that side. And we need to find out the coefficient of x after dividing the coefficient of y both the sides. Okay. Now, so it is y on x. So we need to keep y in the left hand side and everything in the other side. So it will be 3y equals to minus 4x minus 7. Now divide by 3, definitely it will come minus 4 by 3 minus 7 by 3. Clear? So in that case, what is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is coming minus 4 by 3. Clear? So byx is actually minus 4 by 3. Okay. Now see the regression line of x on y. Now it is what? It is the regression line of x on y. So x will be on the one side and everything will be on the other side. So see, 3x is one side and everything is the other side. Now what we have to do? We need to divide the coefficient of x in both the sides. So we need to divide by 3. So again we are getting here the coefficient of y. After dividing, it will be minus 4 by 3, which is the regression coefficient, so called regression coefficient here, as we have assumed. So bxy will be minus 4 by 3. Now we know one thing, that bxy into byx, we have seen in the properties that the product of these two coefficients will be always lying between 0 to 1. So now let us multiply. We have to check whether this assumption is correct or wrong. So what is the procedure? The procedure is here. So byx into bxy, multiply it.